I'm gonna make a soft tofu kimchi. I put the sauce with the made of garlic and scallop, and I put the three of vegetable. There is the zucchini. We chop the zucchini like this, and I put little onion, and I put the green pepper. The, I usually cut it in half, and I take off the seed because sometimes the seed makes more spicy. So some people doesn't like it. So I usually make it just normal taste. So I make it cut like this, and this chop too. I put it in here. But sometimes the people are asking for the spicy. I usually put a little bit more amount. Kimchi, and I put a little salt, and I'm gonna put the soup. Is made of 4 dry fish and several the vegetable. We boiling about 4 or 5 hours. I put on the half of a soup here. It takes about 3 or 4 minutes to boiling. Yeah. Usually I'm waiting until the oil sauce is gone. Only the soup, I see. And then I'm putting the top here. I little make a crust to make a small amount. Then finally, I'm gonna put an egg. This, put the scallion. This is soft tofu kimchi.